how you doing, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for yet another video. This collaboration is being brought to you by Umona Goddess Faux Locks Hair and the install by hairstylist Lysandra's Beauty Studio. I was sent 6 packs of crochet interlocking extensions from Umona Hair to create this faux locks hairstyles.
Yeah, it has. It looks full up.
My edges will come back.
Apple.
Sorry? Is it pink? No, it's
natural.
I haven't relaxed it in 2.5 years. Yeah. Lysandra starts by sectioning the crown of my hair at the front and begins to cane row across. She then parts the edges of my hair around my entire circumference and plats my hair into a braid pattern. To create a more realistic look, she single plaits the crown of my hair in preparation for interlocking. We used a little hair moisturizer while doing this to grow my edges. She begins the crochet pattern simply by pulling the hair through the latch and then twisting the extension while my hair remains concealed inside. She continues this method throughout my entire head, making sure she secures my real hair underneath. This method is so super easy for quick results, guys. The entire look was created in about 2.5 hours and we only used about 5.5 packs of Umona Goddess hair. If you guys are interested in doing any type of hairstyle involving braids or faux locks, Umona are offering my customers 10% off all orders on their website, so you can go to umona.co.uk to purchase yours. My discount code is IAMSHE. As usual, all products being used in the video is listed in the description box alongside my stylist's hair information and Umona Goddess Hair website. What I like most about the Goddess Locks from Umona Hair is that it is very natural and the texture is very, very soft. Umona provides 22 pre-twisted locks per pack, so you probably need about 5 to 6 packs to complete the look. This is the very first time I've worn faux locks, and I can say I'm truly loving how it looks and the fact that my hair is covered in this protective style. So here is the finished look, guys. I had so much fun creating this video with my hairstylist. Thanks so much for watching. Please comment below what you think, and don't forget to check the description box for the contact details of the salon and more about Umona hair. I'll talk to you guys again in another video very soon, and I hope you found this one very helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.